Kung ikaw yung designated saan tayo kakain coordinator ng pamilya mo, ito yung restaurant na pwede from kids to lola at hindi ka mapapahiya sa buong angkan. Hello mga best! We are here at Shangri-La Plaza Mall, Mandaluyong to try some bold Filipino comfort food at Siklab by Bistro Group. Simulan natin agad sa mga bestsellers. Sinigang na bangus sa bayabas. Grabe ang bango nito. Warm fruity aroma from the bayabas, broth balanced and comforting. Kuhol ni Tanggol. Teka, parang kilala ko to ah. This one in creamy gatasos. Ang sarap na karami ako nito. Pinatisang manok. Fried chicken na literal lasang-lasa ang patis. I wish there's citrus lang to cut the saltiness. Hindi mawawala ang sisig, syempre ang bango din. Savory and best enjoyed habang sizzling pa. We also tried their new dishes, sizzling bulalo. Grabe, showstopper ito. Tender meat and a huge bone marrow and bold gravy. Buttery, garlicky, and indulgent. Salted egg fried rice, flavorful but not too salty which we like. Crispy lumpiang sariwa, fresh ubod inside a crisp wrap. For dessert and drinks, bibingka highly recommended, soft, fluffy, and lasang Pasko. Creamy leche flan and sweet halo-halo. And the London juice, refreshing and bright, at ang sarap ng kape nila. The ambience here was warm and homey, service was attentive, and the price point value for money. Sakto talaga for gatherings, reunions, at lahat ng celebrations ngayong season. For us, masarap at babalikan. So kung ikaw ang tagahanap kung saan kayo kakain sa Family GC, try Siklab Restaurant mga best. Tara, let's eat!